Botasaur has a computer virus.
Don't worry, Botasaur. A computer virus isn't dangerous. It's just like a person catching a cold.
And it's easy to fix. I can put the cure on a microchip and we'll be off to the jungle in no time. There's Botasaur!
Hang on, Botasaur. You'll be sneeze-free in just a second. Uh-oh! Sneeze Stopper Suit 5000!
Times 2.
Let's go and cure some bots! I'm coming, big guy! I can't get a lock on Botasaur!
I'll tell you when to launch the chip. Launch now.
The cure worked! No more sneezing for Botasaur! Ruby, Tigerbot!
I'm on it. Phew, good thing this suit is really strong. Launching chip now.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.